Hello guys and welcome to Verychat. So I made a tutorial showing how to join Verychat and mine, and by the way, if you haven't joined, I'll be leaving a link in the pinned comment so you can jump on it, register and start mining. Before I get into the details, I'd like to get this disclaimer out of the way that this is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. So with that said, I want us to talk about the KYC event. Yes, Verychat KYC has started. I mean, it is live, but then it's based on invitation, right? So some people have done their KYC already. Some haven't received anything on the app that looks like they have been invited for KYC. Nothing at all. Right, so you will have a pop-up just where I have one here. So all you need to do is click on start KYC here. Your Very is paid out all at once after every user's KYC is complete, not immediately upon individual approval. Very is sent to the wallet shown above, and this wallet can only be opened with your PIN. Of course, you must have created a wallet on Verychat. I've made a video to the regard. If you don't remember your PIN, check the PIN hint in the email you received when you first created the wallet. Your PIN cannot be reissued or recovered. If you don't know it after payout, the Very you received is lost for good, right? So you accept this, that you have verified your PIN. I mean, by this they mean you had gone back to verify and be sure of the PIN you have set. And the next is confirm I'm using my real ID. I agree that submitting false information will result in permanent restrictions, right? All submitted documents are securely stored in encrypted format, blah blah blah. So you have also to check this second box and click on continue. You have the option to defy KYC. But since we're continuing where we are, take a photo of your face and ID. Your face is detected automatically once it fits inside the oval. Hold your ID in your hand while capturing. Find the well-lit environment. Show your entire face. Hold your physical ID next to your face while processing. Right? You click on got it. So this is an illustration of what you're supposed to do. So you click on got it. This are just some examples, some bad examples. This one is too far away. This one is too close. This one is out of focus. This one is the backlight is more than the front light. All of these are bad. They don't want you to do it like this. This is just for your education. So you click on start, and your front camera will open. So now you're supposed to put your face here and hold your ID just as it is illustrated here. So you fit into this and you'll be well on your way to go. All right, so now I select a country and ID type. So I'll click on this drop down arrow here. Just go through and select your country from a list of countries. So the ID type is a passport. I guess they have detected that. So I click on next. Capture your passport. You click on got it. So here's a guide. Capture the passport photo data page. Hold the passport straight in front of the camera. Find a well-lit environment. Click on got it. So this is it. This is an illustration. Click on got it. So all of these are wrong. Make sure it's not any one of these. Click on take photo. After taking the photo, you have to enter your surname, your given name, your date of birth, your country, your phone number, your email address, your passport number, and click on submit. And it says KYC application completed. We are reviewing the application you submitted. It will be processed within 3 business days. We notify you of the result via chat, right? So that's how to go about your KYC verification. And it's an invite only kind of exercise. You must get an invite, right? So just watch out here. You find the notification here. So you click on it and you just follow the steps that I have illustrated and you will get it done.